Hello and welcome back, friends. In today's episode, we are going to learn how we can grow nice and beautiful orange plant at home in a very easy way. These are the oranges that I have brought from the local market. Now I'll remove the peel off, taking the orange out, and you can see the seed over there. Now placing the seed and collecting all the seeds from these oranges, we will collect few seeds from the oranges. So here we have got these seeds. Now I'll put the seeds in a plate and wash the sweet substances out from the seed so that no insect will affect these seeds and they will grow easily. So for faster growth, what you can do is that since they are slippery at this time, so you put off the outer layer of these seeds, which will help these seeds to grow faster than the normal seeds. It is a little bit difficult, but it's okay. Now placing all those seeds in a tissue paper. So here I have placed the seeds in the tissue paper. Now I'll make them completely wet and use a Ziploc bag. I have placed them inside the Ziploc bag in this way because I can easily see from outside what is the activity going on with the seeds. Okay, now place this inside this can and you can see. Okay, after 9 days I have seen that the seeds has grown. They have started germinating and I am quite happy with the result. These seeds are the seeds which I have peeled the outer cover and they are really doing good. They are really growing faster than ordinary seeds. These are the seeds without removing the outer cover. Putting them back inside the Ziploc bag. Do not let any air inside. Keep the air completely out. Okay. Now checking after 2 weeks, 14 days. The seeds has grown in a very good way. You can see the long roots has appeared. You can see it is always the root part comes first in every seeds. So you can here I will again keep it inside the box for some time more, and after 22 days we can see that they have grown too much long roots, and now it's time to plant them in this coco peat that I have prepared. Here you can see the nice long root of the seed. Now it's a time to be planted in the coco peat. So I have prepared 2 cups of coco peat and placing the seeds all inside this coco peat. Place the pointed portion downward, so because from that portion always the root comes first. Okay, here you can see I have placed all the seeds inside these 2 coco peat cups. Now adding the coco peat over it so that the seeds will be completely covered inside that coco peat, and it will help the seeds to get warm inside and grow faster. Here again I will use the same Ziploc bag. Okay, keeping like this in a shade or at the window. So after 30 days you can see the seeds has grown very well, and I'm quite satisfied with the result till now. Again, I am going to place that back inside the Ziploc bag. So after 50 days, here is the result in front of you. So you can see the 2 cups are filled with the orange plants, tiny plants, and they seems quite good in these cups. And you can see here the leaves are also quite healthy, and these plants are really doing good inside that Ziploc bag. So few tips for the new growers are: start your project in the month of March or April, not in November or December, because the warm temperature is good for the growth of the plant. And select well ripe up orange fruit for starting your project. That will give you the best result. And third tip is, if you cannot go with paper towel method, just start by growing in good mixture soil. That can be coco peat, vermicompost with soil, or you can go with also normal garden soil. And last one is, once the plants are grown, they can be transplanted in 2 to 3 months in a bigger pot or in your garden. So friends, if you have any queries, please comment below. If you want to know about any plants to grow, just comment below. I hope you like my video. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you again.